So, good morning, everyone. Welcome to social science class. Welcome in new academic session. So, I will be taking your social science classes this year. So, you are once again welcome in grade 9. So, today I will be taking geography class. Okay, we will discuss the size and location of India. Okay, its political divisions, which you have covered in the previous years also. Okay, so let's begin with political divisions of India. So it's a social science bridge class. So in the first week of your classes, there will be bridge classes. So what are bridge classes? Bridge classes means we will be connecting your previous syllabus to the new syllabus. Okay, so it means we will just revise the very important concepts which you have studied, and we will also give a hint of the concepts which you will be getting in this class. Okay, so let's begin. So I'm sharing a screen. I'm sharing my screen, and here we go. So in previous classes you have studied about these things. Okay, so this is the political division. What is the meaning of political division? Political division means dividing an area according to our needs so that we can control that area, we can govern that area smoothly. Okay, so every country has divided itself into various provinces or states or districts and blocks or tehsils. So in India, we have divided our country into 28 states and 9 union territories. So the recently formed UTs are the UT of Ladakh. Here you can see the Ladakh UT, Union Territory of Ladakh, and the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Rest are the states you already know, and their capitals are there. So if you want to excel in social sciences, you must know the names of states, their capitals, and also the location there where these states are located on the map of India. Okay, so it will help you in studying various subjects, for example, history, political science, also economics. Even in economics, you can use your knowledge of maps. Then history and geography, it is very necessary to know each and every state, their location, their capital, and also their resources and special things. Okay, so here I'm sharing the map of India, so you can see various political divisions of India. So political divisions, as I have told you in previous years also, that political divisions means the divisions which are made by the, or the boundaries which are made by the human beings. Other are the physical divisions. So physical divisions are natural divisions. They are made by the nature. For example, in northern part of India, there are mountains. So mountains are not made by the man. They are made by the God. They are made by the nature. Then there are some rivers, oceans, seas, okay, lakes. So they are made by the nature. Then desert, plateaus. So these all were the physical divisions. So here we are concerned with our political divisions. So now you must have come to know about the political divisions of India. So let's move ahead. We will share another screen that where we are located. So our country is India. So this is the map of the world. You must have seen the world's map. In this map, you can see that this is the map of the world. If you see, this is equator 0 degree line. Okay, so 0 degree line dividing our globe or our earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So if you see, you can clearly see that here is equator and the India is located in upper part. That means India is located in northern hemisphere. Okay, so this is our one term of location. Second term of location is that in which continent do we are located. So we are located here, that is in Asia. So we are in the northern hemisphere and in the Asian continent. Then you can see that it is in the southern side of Asia. Okay, in Southeast Asia. So this is our real location. By the size, India is the seventh largest country in the world. By population, we are second largest country in the world after China. So this map will make you clear that on world or on earth where our country is located. So always keep in mind the location of our country. So we will further elaborate this. So here I'm sharing with you another map. Okay, here you can see. So this map will show you the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. What is latitudinal or longitudinal extent? That from which longitude to which longitude our country is extended. Okay, कितनी बड़ी हमारी country है इस longitude से लेके उस. So here you can see 68 degrees 7 minutes west longitude to 97 degree 25 minutes east. So ये क्या होता है? This is the from equator we calculate this difference, this degrees. Okay, so from equator we are located at this angle from equator. Longitudinal extent means from prime meridian. So prime meridian से हमारी जो दूरी एंगल है, किस एंगल पर हम होते हैं वो आपको बोलते हैं लॉन्गिट्यूड. और लैटिट्यूड का मतलब होता है इक्वेटर से हम किस एंगल पर लोकेटेड है. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी this is the longitudinal extent and this from north to south is the latitudinal extent, that is 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude to 8 degree 4 minutes south latitude. Okay, so now you can see this line from north to south, this dotted line. This line divides our country into east and west part. Okay, so this is known as the, this passes through the middle of the, this is a longitude which passes through middle of the country. इंडिया के एकदम बीच में से जो लॉन्गिट्यूड जाता है उसको हम बोलते हैं स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन. Standard meridian. So what is standard meridian? The time is calculated according to this meridian for the whole country. So we will calculate our time. Okay, all the watches of the country in India will be synchronized with the time of this longitude. Okay, this is the longitude according to which the time is calculated in India. Now, this is 82.5 degree north longitude. Now this is done in कंसल्टेशन विद द प्राइम मेरिडियन. ओके, प्राइम मेरिडियन के हिसाब से हम अपने देश का टाइम फिक्स करते हैं और उस जिस लाइन के हिसाब से, जिस लॉन्गिट्यूड के ऊपर वो लाइन फिक्स होता है टाइम, उसको हम बोलते हैं स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन. ओके, नाउ यू मे सी another line crossing this from west to east. So this is known as Tropic of Cancer. Okay, so Tropic of Cancer divides our country into northern part and southern part, North India, South India. So this is Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north, and the line which divides our country into east and west, or according to which the time is calculated in India, it is called the standard meridian of India or standard meridian for India. So you can also know about it. So standard meridian of India. So what is the standard meridian of India? The longitudes according to which the time is calculated or synchronized in India. So it is 82.5 degree east, and it passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. ओके, सो ये जो मेरिडियन है ये कहाँ से पास होती है? मिर्जापुर एक प्लेस है, वहां से ये पास होती है. ठीक है जी. सो मिर्जापुर, वेयर इज मिर्जापुर? इट इज इन उत्तर प्रदेश. सो 82.5 डिग्री ईस्ट. तो ये इसकी ये लॉन्गिट्यूड है 82.5 डिग्री ईस्ट. इट passes from मिर्जापुर in Uttar Pradesh, and the time of the country is calculated according to this longitude. Okay, so this was the longitudinal extent of India. So let's move ahead. So I will be pausing a little.